In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Vrbo account. Whether you're looking to book your next vacation rental or list your own property, having a Vrbo account is your first step. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to vrbo.com. Once the website loads, take a look at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see a sign up button waiting for you there. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be directed to the sign up page where the magic begins. Now, it's time to enter your primary email address. This is important because you'll use this email for all Vrbo related communications, including booking confirmations and correspondence with property owners. Make sure it's an email address you check regularly. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to move on to the next step. Next up, you'll need to provide some basic personal details. Start by entering your first and last name. This information helps personalize your account and makes interactions with hosts smoother. Then it's time to create a secure password. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Remember, a secure password is crucial to protecting your account from unauthorized access, so take a moment to think of something both complex and memorable. After you've filled out your basic details, Vrbo will send you a verification email to confirm your account. Head over to your inbox and look for an email from Vrbo. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk mail folders just in case it landed there by mistake. Once you find the email, open it and either click on the confirmation link or enter the provided confirmation code back on the Vrbo site. This step is essential as it verifies your email address and activates your account. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Vrbo account. From here, you can start browsing vacation rentals, or if you're a property owner, begin listing your own property for travelers to enjoy. Remember to explore all the features available to you now that you're a member of the Vrbo community. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're feeling ready to explore all that Vrbo has to offer. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Vrbo's customer support is always there to assist you. Thanks for watching and happy travels.